Hello, welcome back. This is Sherful. So in this tutorial we'll see with the select top clause, select distinct statement, as well as the between operator in SQL. So what is select top clause? Select top clause is used to specify the number of records to return. The select top clause is useful on a large tables with thousands of records. Running a larger number of records can be impact performance. So usually people they use select top top clause like specify the top return number of result return for a specific columns from a tables, especially if you have a large tables. So if you want to retrieve any data from large table, it may takes time, it may increase your performance, it may issue of your performance. That time just you want to specify your record for number of number of top records you want to retrieve. So it's based on your top number, it will show you records. So it's not going to pull all the records for the same for that specific column. That may take longer time, so that's why they use select top clause. It's an example. And this is the syntax. You use a select top number *sign, then you can specify columns. So that top whatever 3 4 it will apply to that column from table name where condition. Or you can put select top 3 * from customers, so it will top 3 will apply to all the records, all the columns in customer tables where condition where country equals to Germany. We can see this one. Let's see. Well, in Germany we have only 2 rows, so there will be nothing different. But if you have a large, assume that you have a large data like few thousand rows, from there we can just retrieve top 10 data for specific columns. Okay, that will be help save your time and will increase your performance. Example. So from here we'll see just how to write the statement using top 3, then *, and then we'll say from customers where country equals to Germany. Okay, let's F5. You can see it just where countries Germany, it just pull, so we don't have a large data set, so we'll not see any difference over here. Okay, but if you have a record for country Germany like hundreds columns based on the countries all are Germany's, you would see it will show the top 3 rows. Okay, so this is the way we can use top 3 clause in our select statement. So next is distinct. We all know the distinct. It means it's a retrieve like different values, like unique one. So the select distinct statement is used to return only distinct values or different values inside a table. A column often contains many duplicate values, and sometimes you only want to list the different or distinct values. So that time we can use select, then distinct keyword, then column name, like you wanna apply the distinct to the column desired column you want, and then from the table name here select distinct country from customer. So we know in the customer table we have some duplicate rows, like same row same columns, we have some duplicate values. It will show only one of them. So example, let's see F5. Okay, here you can say that for the select distinct country, the country column from customers. So it means in the customer table we have, if you see, we have I think Germany is twice. Let me see. Customer. Here you can see Germany, Mexico. Okay, Germany, Mexico, Norway. I think Germany once it's been removed. So anyways, if you have usually distinct use, if you have any column, when you use the distinct for a specific column, it will only show you the difference or the unique values, not the duplicate one. If you have another column with the same, like Germany or Poland, it will retrieve the data only the one Poland, not twice. Okay, here we can see. Okay, so that's the distinct used to retrieve only difference values. Next is SQL between operator. The between operator select values within a given range. The values can be number, text, or dates. The between operator is inclusive. Beginning and end values are included. It means we can see some of the example. The syntax is select columns names from the table name equals to from the table name between the value 1 and the value 2. Where condition column name, then again we can use the between value 1 and value 2 here. Select a star from products, okay, where price between 10 and 20. For some reason this is not okay, this is not clear, so I'm just okay here. So we can retrieve all the price between 10 and 20. So that time we can use all the products name where the price is between 10 and 20. So we can say select Esther from products, right, where price between 10 and 20. So we'll see all the products list data from the product list from the product table where the price is between 10 and 20. Let's retrieve it. You can see only there is a 2 products we found. The price is between 10 and 20, which is 18 and 19. Okay, so if you see, let's see is it true or not. In our product table we have a price 18, 19, and there's a 2 more, one is 50 or 90. So I said we are looking for all the products between prices between 10 and 20, which means there's only 2 products, right? Pen and pencil, right? So if we retrieve this, yes, it shows only pen and pencil, right? So pretty much that's all about the between operator, using between operator in select statement. And next we'll see some aggregate function like mean, max, average, then count, all those things. Okay, so thank you so much, and we'll see you in our next tutorial. Have a good one.